Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Bitcoin wallet on Binance. First, you will need to create an account on the Binance platform, which is a straightforward process using your email address or phone number. After that, it is crucial to complete the identity verification steps to unlock all the features and higher transaction limits. Finally, always enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security on your account. Once your account is set up, the next step is to fund it. You have several options, including depositing fiat currency like US dollars or euros directly from your bank account via a bank transfer. Alternatively, you can use a credit or debit card for a quicker transaction. If you already own other cryptocurrencies, you can also transfer them from an external wallet into your Binance account. With funds in your account, you are ready to acquire Bitcoin. Head over to the Buy Crypto section, which is easily accessible from the main navigation. Here, you will select Bitcoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies and then choose your preferred payment method, whether it is fiat currency or another crypto. Carefully review all the purchase details before confirming your transaction. After purchasing, your Bitcoin will be securely stored in your Binance wallet. You can view your Bitcoin balance by navigating to the Wallet section, often labeled as Spot Wallet. Within this section, you can also find your unique Bitcoin wallet address, which is essential for receiving Bitcoin from other sources. Remember, Binance manages the complex private keys on your behalf, simplifying the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.